Hi guys, I am Dr. Mohammad Usman, and today this video is about eye tracking experiment. It is part of the perception lecture series, and in this lecture we will talk about the eye tracking experiment, which is basically how the eye tracks any visual image. So this video is about that how you can work on the software and what it will show to you. So there is an infrared camera, there will be one visualization display, and it will track the your eye movement on that images. So basically we have worked on on different images, and it will show you the where the most user focuses. So this is first of all the overall image when the user is not focusing on this image. So you can see that overall all the approach is balanced. Similar like when user start focusing, you can see that user focuses on some certain area. Like first of all the user focuses on the legend, then it focuses on the median line, then it focuses on the smaller points. So most of the time the greater the time, the greater the movement of your focus on that visualization. Similarly, like if you see when the time is greater, then the focus on the center point is greater. So you can see that in this one you can analyze that user focuses on the main points of that visualization. User first focuses on the center line or the points which provide you some information. And if we change into the further eye tracking, you can see that overall most of the time the user focusing on the legend, the certain points, the x-axis, and less on the y-axis, because they focuses on the x-axis to analyze what it is representing. Similarly, in pie chart it focuses on all the areas except some of the region which is blank. So basically if we talk about the pie chart, so pie chart is an effective way to make the user focus. In maps, if you can see that user focus on the legends, and then in focus on the areas which they can analyze that where there was more rain and where there was less rain. So this is just the perception analysis, how eye track or eye focuses or perceives any element, and what user perceives from an visualization, and it can be different from user to user. So I have some games over here. If you can see this one, similar like you will see some different images and some different dots if you can focus on it. If you focus on the white area, you will see black dots over here. So this is just the eye tracking and eye perception. If you move eye faster, you will see more black dots. If you move your eye slower, then you will see less dots. So this is called the Hermann grid effect. Basically if you see on the different grid lines, it will be just making you show the element which is in greater in color. If there are blue boxes in this visualization, then you will see the blue color or the blue dots when you are moving your eye. So this is just how your eye is perceiving that image, and it just provide you an illusion. Similarly, like we have a cone sweet illusion. If you can see that, it shows you that it is a 3D, but actually it is a 2D. It is how 2D. If you focus on this one and you just make now if you look at it, you can see that it is just similar, and it is just in one direction. So cone sweet illusion is about that how you can make your 2D image or 3D image by analyzing or perceiving using your eye tracking and using the perception analysis. I have another image over here. This is just, if you can see that if you have texture, what we have read before, that we should not use texture in our visualization because they provide a different perception analysis. If you can see that the all lines are straight, but if you use the texture, they just appear different. Even in the solid they are appearing similar and they are appearing straight, but when you are using the texture, they look like some kind of tilted. So texture is that why we don't use in our visualizations. Another thing we talk about when we are talking about the eye tracking experiment, the contrast plays an important role. If you have all the colors similar, then you can focus on each of them. But if you have any color in red, then there is blue, and then there is green, you will focusing on the red color first. And if you change the contrast and we make urgent higher but the other colors lower, then you can see that it will providing a different perception analysis, because you have to focus on the things which are darker, and you focus on the normal user will focus on the things that appear opulent or bold to them. Similarly, like I have another image, and this is like things that pop. It is an if you focus on the red dot, you will see that the bubbles will start popping, and you have to focus for some time. Similarly, like for some people it will be popping, and for other people it will not pop. So it is just the perception analysis and the view of the perception, how your images perceive and how you can display them. Even they are 2D, you can make them 3D, or you can visualize them as a kind of illusion. So this video was up to here. So if you like my video, go to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it, and the training certificates or as fellow, the process is over here. So what you are waiting for, go today to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. Thank you.